Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to take this and turn it into this. And we're going to do it with stuff you probably already got. So you ready? Let's get into this. The problem with trying to get these burns here off of a non-stick pan is that it's not the same as working with stainless steel. If you scrub on this too hard, you're going to mess up this non-stick surface, and then you might as well go ahead and just throw your pan away. I've seen quite a few methods for trying to get these clean. Some work and some don't, but we're going to be showing you the easiest one. All we have to do is take the offending pan, put it on your range, and then we're going to cut some lemons in the quarters like this. Go ahead and squeeze a little bit of that lemon juice into the pan. Just throw the rest of the lemon right here in to the pan like that. Try not to make a big mess like I'm doing right here. Add some water here to it. And then we're gonna go ahead and turn that burner onto medium-high heat. So in this case, it's probably about a 7 for us. Then all we gotta do is let this heat up and boil for about 5 minutes or so. Make sure you have enough water in here so that it's not gonna all burn off in 5 minutes, otherwise you're really gonna wreck your pans. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. At this point, this has only been boiling for about 2 minutes, and if you look closely here, you can see a lot of little bits of black coming up off the bottom of the pan. Keep in mind, I haven't done anything with these. I cleaned the pan originally whenever we got done using it. That burn was left over and I couldn't get it off without risking damaging my pan. And after that, all we done is what you've seen. Just a little bit of lemon juice in there. Took the quartered lemons, threw them in there after the fact, a little bit of water, and we turned on the burner. You probably can't see this too well because the water's boiling and everything, but if I take this wooden spoon here and I just lightly scrape it across the bottom here now, that stuff is actually coming up super easy. So, hopefully this thing's gonna come clean.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's been about 5 minutes, and you can see right here, if you're just even looking at this lemon, look at all that black crap that's just sitting on the top of this lemon here. Pretty gross, but better on the lemon than on the pan. So we can go ahead and turn this heat off. And the only other thing I'm gonna recommend you have is one of these Scotch-Brite non-scratch scrub sponges. These are actually safe to use on non-stick cookware, just like it says right there. So we can be sure it's not gonna mess up our pan. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and pour out our lemon mixture here. And we're just gonna let this pan cool just for a few minutes. We just don't want it to be scorching hot because we're gonna be scrubbing it a tiny little bit. But if you're looking at the bottom of the pan here, a lot of that stuff just kind of came up already. And if I just take the wooden spoon here again, you'll see that a lot of that stuff is just kind of coming off. Okay, I just let this cool down just for a couple of minutes. We're gonna go ahead and use our scrub pad here and just kind of use a circular motion. Get all this off, and you can see a lot of this is just coming off. I'm not putting any effort into this at all, really. Just easy strokes. My pan is still a little bit on the hot side, so I'm just going to try to be careful not to burn myself here. Okay, and really in no time at all, that's looking pretty damn good. Since this is cooled down, we'll go ahead and rinse it off, just to inspect it a little bit better. That's looking pretty fantastic, and it even cleaned up around my rivets here too. Like I said before, there's a lot of ways you can do this, but this is definitely the one that's easiest on your pans. And this isn't just for non-stick pans, you can do this on regular stainless pans as well. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about Joe's Phenomenal, you can watch a couple more videos, or you can check us out online at joesphenomenal.com. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch this video. It really means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you back again here really soon. So until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.